guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make rice
For the first time.
for the first time that my mom's teaching me.
Okay, go ahead.
Just two?
Yes. Okay, you can count. Put this one here. So, Nikki's first time nagluluto ng rice. 1, 2. Okay, then. Close. Put it down. Okay, then. Come on. You need to go to the... Here.
Put water?
Yeah.
How much?
Clean up first. Put some water. Okay, use your hands to do like this to clean up.